Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to give money on PayPal. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to paypal.com or go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and download the PayPal application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to PayPal if you already hadn't done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see, we have the home, send, wallet, activity, and help options. We also have send and request and other different things here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and give money on PayPal. It is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. Log into PayPal, of course, as the first thing, and click money on the left. So when you click money on the left, click send money on the left. So basically you can go and transfer refund funds. You can go click it here, but you first need to go and link a card or bank, of course, before doing anything. Then click send money to friends and family. Type in the person's PayPal email you want to pay. So person must have a PayPal account to receive the money from your PayPal, of course. Type in the amount and add a note if you want, of course. You can add a note for the person so that they know, have some note with the money, of course. Then click continue, review the information, and click send money at the end. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.